So hi guys, I'm Teen Tech Career. Before starting today's video, let me ask you a simple question. Are you looking in the market to buy a perfect Bluetooth speaker under 1500 rupees? If yes, then my friends, you have come to the right video. Today in this video, I will be unboxing and going my review on the Mivi Roam Bluetooth speaker, which is just priced under the sweet spot. So let's get to the video, shall we? Talking about the main highlights of the speakers, these include a 5-watt output, 800 mAh of battery, IPX67 waterproof, and of course they're portable. And also if you buy two of them, you can easily pair them for stereo output. So now let's unbox them in a cinematic way. So now coming to the overview, on the front we see a Mivi logo and a nice fabric covering the top portion, giving the speakers overall a nice appeal. Turning to the back, we see some of the technical stuff that nobody cares about. So let's just skip that. Over to the right side, we see the control buttons, which are kind of hard to press. We have a play pause button, volume buttons, and yes, a power on off button. Then over to the bottom, we have a microphone, an LED light, and then a compartment. Opening the compartment, we can see the charging port and the 3.5mm port for aux input. So now let's do a water test.
So here's the water test of the speaker.
A decrease in the volume can be observed while the speaker is being wet.
So as you can see, the speaker is getting wet now. Let's test the water.
A decrease in the volume loudness can be observed, but after shaking of the water, the loudness is restored. So now let's get to the review. First, design. Design-wise, the speaker is built in a nice form factor. It is very portable and has a nice feel to it. Second, sound quality. The sound quality of the speakers is really nice. The vocals are quite clear. It also has some decent bass and nice treble. Battery life. The battery life of the speakers is also really nice. It can easily last for 3 to 4 hours at 100% volume level, and at 70% volume level it can easily last you for 4 to 5 hours. Water resistance. The speakers are IPX67 water resistant. That means you can easily use them in rain. This is one feature that puts the Mivi Roam Bluetooth speakers above the competition, because at this price bracket we don't generally see some water resistant speakers. So verdict. Considering the price point and the features the speaker offers, it is one of the best offerings in the market at this price point right now. And yes, it is better than JBL Go. So that's it for this video. So if you liked the video, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.